Here we are looking at a shipment from Soundpeats. It's a Bluetooth earphone, Air 4, their latest Bluetooth earphone. These are not in-ear style, they are the more classic designs, the birds kind of design. So I have two here. That's nice. This is the Air, I believe. No, this is not the Air. This is the Air. Priced at around $100. 13 dynamic driver, 26 hours of playback, hybrid active noise cancellation. So I'm not exactly sure how one can provide proper noise cancellation with a earbud. These things are unable to seal properly. So yes, the noise cancellation has to be kind of hybridish. It is not exactly noise cancellation because it cannot do that, but it will definitely can reduce ambient sounds to some extent. In any case, we are getting 6.5 hours of continuous playback. Then there is 26 hours of playback, Bluetooth version 5.3, general stuff. So let's have a look. These are they are saying that these are priced at $100. Soundpit says these are priced at $100, but one can easily find this at around 70, 60 even. Amazon, as far as I can see, has it listed at $80, and there is a bit of sale where it can be bought for $20 less too. So that's a thing too. We are supposed to have a cable, yes, uh, Type C to Type A cable, and I'm not sure. It says tips, but I'm not expecting any tips here at all. So no, nothing. So this is all one needs. Soundpeat. Nice, nice little case. Dolphin leather kind of finishing here. Matte finish. Feels good. Feels good. In hand feel is very good. And the birds are of fairly smaller size. I was expecting it to be slightly bigger, but this looks nice. Nice. I think for pairing, maybe one has to do this. We'll see what are the stuff one needs to do. I think I'll have to get the booklet for that, for pairing and stuff. I'll look into that. No issues. I do not think there is anything difficult here. So this is the Type C port. Here is the manual. Steps as shown. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll look into that. Let's look at the Capsule 3 Pro. This one is the more mainstream kind in here. So This is a relief, and this one has a bit more playback too. 8 hours and 52 hours of charging with the case. Battery capacity of the buds are same, but the case has 500 mAh, so that's a good thing. And this one too has hybrid noise cancellation, 12 dynamic driver, and 52 hours of playback. Ldac support. That is great. Does this not have Ldac? No, no, I mentioned no Ldac on this. No, this one doesn't. This one has Ldac. So this is the cheaper one, priced. They are saying they are pricing it at $90, but these are available at similarly 70, 60, depends on which time of the year you are looking in. These aren't that expensive either. So yeah, same kind of booklet, exactly same kind of instruction set and stuff. So I'll look into that on my own. Let's have a look at the stuff first. So I'm expecting some cable. Yeah, a cable and a few two pair of tips. A short cable type C to A as far as I can see. Of the generic quality, there isn't anything, any branding or anything like that. So yeah, of the generic quality, there isn't anything special about this at all. And the tips are supposed to be generic too. I do not see anything special in them either. So yeah, they are of the oval shape. Looks good, no issues with the looks or anything like that. So let's have a look at the bud. This one looks slightly bigger. It is bigger than the Play 4. Bigger battery, so the size is bigger. That's understandable. Hmm, looks nice. Some charging protection is applied here. And these are fairly similar in size. While this is in here, the Air 4 is of the bird type. So you guys can see very size similar size and shape. While this is in here, this is not. So yeah, this should be decent, I believe. Priced at 60, priced at 70, $80. This should be decent. There shouldn't be anything outstanding about this, but this should not be disappointing either. So let's see how this fare on their own. So this is the unboxing of Air 4 and Capsule 3 Pro. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.